Hey guys, it's Elkskin. Uh, I just got my truck back today, so I'm happy about that. So Friday, I seen there was a sale over in Illinois going. So I'm like, well, I want to go to it. Went over there, and it was like everything had to go. And it's a little echoey in here because I got something apart. Uh, anyway, this welder was one of the items that uh needed to go. So I picked it up for $100. It is a flux core, uh, but that's all right. This will work good for what I need it for. But there's one caveat I'm gonna do, and that is convert this one over to gas. This one has the ability to do it. It just needs the correct thing over here. It needs the solenoid, the valve, and all the hoses. It's already set up inside to accept gas in this. Goes up here, like I said. Focus. But that's where the gas comes out of. So I just need the outside here, and whatnot. So, I'm gonna be keeping my eyes open. Lincoln, I've been seeing the kits to convert this thing over to gas for about $300 without a tank. And I know Scamazon has the links and stuff to get it done around 80 to 100. But if I can find something used to use for parts for this, that'll be nice. Because then I can have this one set up for gas and have good, decent welding. I mean, I don't do anything extremely thick. And then I could use the Harbor Freight one for the junky stuff. So, anyway, so that's that. So right now, I'm gonna be putting together a video as long as soon on it. But I got the trailer apart. Just got that in. Got something else in, and we gotta go through a bunch of stuff. But like I said, that's for a separate video. So anyway, so there's also, I forgot to mention this, there's also an ability to run a 10-pound spool on this. But you can see right up here, you see that brass little thing, that is where the gas hose would connect. Then the solenoid would be on the other side of here, and you screw it into those holes, and the end would pop right out of here. So I've watched several videos on people converting this, and for what this welder is, once it's converted, it will be okay. Musty picked one of these same identical welders, except his had a black firewall kind of thing in there, or something like that. I don't know what you'd call it, but instead of the plate going this way being red, it was black. But he picked one of them up out of somebody's garbage a couple years back. But yeah, I know it's old. The manual dated around 97. But for what I need it for, it'll be okay. So, you know, I'm gonna have to clean up over there, put my welders side by side, and, you know, right now my other one doesn't have any wire in it, because I pulled the wire out for this, so I can test it. Because the wire that was in here was almost out, and it was all rusty. So, you know, overall, it don't look like it was used a whole lot. I mean, I know this is weird. This tip here is a spare tip for that welder. So, by the way, let me see something. You see, that one's got the holes too. And I wonder, because I know the tips are interchangeable. I just wonder about this. Look at that. It screws on. So that's nice. I think I got another one of them somewhere around here. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, I've got a pizza to go get, so I'll talk to you guys later. And I know everything is a mess in here. I've got tons of projects I've been going through, so, you know. This is white paint. This is more that high gloss white epoxy paint for what you call it. And I got more Pour 15. So, anyway, guys, I'll talk to you later.